Do casinos cheat, or do dealers just make mistakes? What's up, you degenerates? Scott Barnes here with another video. And in this one, we've got 3 different videos covering Dana White, Cody from Xposed, and Kelsey Smith, Stevewilldoit's girlfriend. And I wouldn't be surprised if Steve also had this happen, because dealers make mistakes, you know, and the awesome thing is sometimes casinos rectify them. And in 2 of these, they do, and the other one was a mishap and didn't know. So the first one we're going to dive into is going to be Kelsey, where she has a 19 showing and the dealer is pulling a 2 on her face. We're not really going to worry about her cards right here. So let's just go ahead and play this out. So she's got a 19 and a 2. So she's got a 19 here, okay? She's got a 19 with a 7. And if we go forward just a little bit, and I am not talking here, boom, dealer takes the money. The dealer takes the money. You can hear me over it. But yeah, she takes the money, and that is the first one. So, you know, stuff like that happens. And in that video, if you guys go watch the main one, I'll put down the link. Nobody notices. She just goes on and plays. The next one that I like is going to be with Dana White, where he's playing with the Barstool Buds. And yeah, let's get into this one. And this is with David Portnoy. So Dana's showing a 4. He's got an 8. Let's pause that really quick if I can. Let's just go back really quick if we can. So he's showing a 4. Dealer gives him another 4. All right, so we got a 2. That's 19, right? 8, 9, 10. No, that's 20. This is why we count. Numbers mean things. All right, his other one's showing a 9 and a 9, I believe. 9 and an 8, which is a 17. So the house pulls a 9, a 5, and a push. Okay, let's see, right? We got 7, 8, 9. That's a 20, all right? She's got a 20. Oh. But she takes, let's see, 1, 2. So she takes both. She takes both, all right? Now, fast forward. What I like about Dana is they're going through it. They're going through it.
Again.
And this is cool. And this is cool why we have video replay. Now, the last one I want to show you guys is going to be with Cody from Xposed, which he pulled up one right here. Let's expand this one. So we'll play this. We'll turn it down a little bit because it's a little crazy loud. So in this one, it's not really a push, but let's see what happens with her. All right, so that's a soft 17. All right. Dealer must stand on all 17. You guys read that down below. Dealer must stand on all 17. Now you have to remember as well, some of these dealers, they play different style blackjack, and you could have 2-hand blackjack, you could have a 7-hand blackjack, or a 7-deck blackjack, excuse me. But the cool part is, after they play, just a little bit, we'll turn the sound back on. They go forward, they show the rewind, and we're not going to watch that because we don't want to get, yeah, I don't pay for YouTube Premium. But,
7 will take a tie, you can't have it.
Soft 17.
No way, no.
So she pulls that, and with that soft 17 turns into an 18. And if you look just right down there, Cody has a 18. So essentially, she is supposed to stand on her 17, which she didn't, and pulled an 18. In fact, gave him a push. And of course, the cool part of this is that the chat was actually telling them the whole time. Again, if you guys want to watch this, either go over to Cody's channel or mine and watch the video where I respond to this. But yeah, so essentially, the dealer comes back. I'm sorry, not the dealer. The chat is telling them this game is scam, like you're getting scammed, and they read they read what happened, and then what happens? They go over it. They see what's going on.
The chat was one that.
It was the chat, and that's what I love about this. It was the chat.
Yes.
It was the last dealer, her last 2 hands.
Her last 2 hands. It was like 5 hands ago, probably.
Yeah. It was when I had an 18. Dealer pulls 6 and an ace, and then pulled another ace. Yeah.
Yeah.
She had an ace showing, and he had 6 under.
So the entire time, the chat came through, and look at, pay him.
Thank you.
And gives him his money back. And I do appreciate that about the casino, because they're all about rectifying their the situation. But at the same time, how bad do you think that dealer felt and or got some repercussions for what she did? Oh, man. But yeah, these things happen. Mistakes get made, especially when you are dealing thousands and thousands and thousands of hands. Stuff like this can happen. So let me know what you guys think, if that's ever happened to you, or if, you don't really pay attention and you just let the dealer decide. But knowing this, I will always now pay attention and go a little slower. Love you guys, and I will see you hopefully in the next video.